Today on Cutler's Court.
I am Michael Jackson. I want to be Michael Jackson all the time, 24 hours a day. She can't deal with that.
It's too much.
It's too much. I'm sick of it.
I show you how good I am at making this money?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, so
No.
the moonwalk, is that what you were doing?
Oh, yes, sir.
Maybe one day.
No, sir. Come on.
She threw my shoes away. She ruined my wig.
So you do admit wearing the wig.
I have worn it.
You did leave it in the car.
She treats all of my things like garbage. My shoes, my wig, me.
We'll find out today if she is ordered to pay. This is Cutler's Court. Jack Perez suspects his girlfriend is trying to sabotage his career as a Michael Jackson impersonator. He is suing her for property damage after she ruined his prized moonwalking shoes and Thriller wig. Amanda McBride says she does not recognize her boyfriend anymore, literally. She claims his profession as a Michael Jackson impersonator has completely taken over their lives. And if he can't find a balance, she's prepared to tell him to beat it.
Your Honor, this is case number 1133, Perez versus McBride.
All right. Thank you, sir. So, Mr. Perez, the question is, who's going to prevail? The man in the mirror or the PYT?
Oh. Very nicely done. Give me some. All right.
So, tell me why we are here.
Actually, Your Honor, I have a piece of evidence that
Right
I'd like
off
to
the
present.
bat. Okay, Tashi.
My name is not, in fact, Mr. Perez. It is Prince Michael Jackson. I had it legally changed.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, in 2006, I met the defendant, Amanda, through a mutual friend. We quickly became close friends, almost like brother and sister. It progressed through the years into what you could say a situationship. However, I think we should remain friends and cut all romantic ties.
Okay, so that's where you are.
Yes.
Miss McBride,
Yes, Your Honor.
everything he said thus far, do you agree with it?
Somewhat. I mean, yeah, we've been friends for almost 20 years, and we kind of developed romantic feelings for one another. But lately, things have not been as they used to be. So I don't know whether we should keep the relationship or try to save our friendship.
Okay.
And why are you in doubt on that issue?
Because he's become a workaholic, and he's changed since I've met him. He's not the same at all as he used to be.
He's changed, really?
He's changed a lot.
So what has changed? I feel like that's a crazy question, but what's different?
Well, when we first met, he was fun, and now he's not like he used to be. I feel like he's become obsessed with Michael Jackson.
That may be the understatement of this for this year.
All right, so Ms. McBride, you have this notion that he's obsessed with Michael Jackson.
He is.
What kind of problem is that causing in your relationship?
I was doing laundry the other night, and I couldn't even find a place to put our clothes because the whole closet is full of Michael Jackson getup. And it's just overtaking our lives. It's too much.
Oh,
It's beautiful.
where's the glove? There it is. Okay.
There's a glove, there's a hat, there's a from
So-
Smooth Criminal.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna ask you, Mr. Perez, when did you start impersonating Mr. Jackson?
Almost immediately when I was 3 years old.
Can I ask you a really personal question?
Sure.
You look a little different from this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you actually invested in cosmetic surgery?
I have.
Can you tell me what you have had
Yes.
changed?
In 2015, I had a rhinoplasty on my nose.
Okay.
And in 2016, I had lip injections.
Okay.
Can you see how he's changed?
A little bit.
What about the chin?
Not the chin. This is all makeup for now.
For now. So even the little cleft is
cleft?
makeup.
It's all makeup. All makeup.
Wow. Is that your hair or a wig?
It's my hair now.
Is it the hair that grew out of your scalp?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it ain't no doubt who you're trying to do.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. That's a very big compliment.
So have you made a living at this?
Oh, absolutely. I make thousands of dollars just showing up as Michael Jackson. I mean, he's not even here. So, may I show you how good I am at making this money?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. Will you join me?
Come on, yeah,
Well,
I'm game.
Well, you're not gonna ask me to do it with you.
Oh, yes, please, please.
You know, sometimes you have to do what you have to do to get to the bottom of a case.
We are at the bottom, so here we go.
Okay, you ready for this?
Yes.
Get some of that, Miss Cutler.
All right, so
And,
the moonwalk, is that what you were doing?
Oh, yes, sir.
Something like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, little practice. You know, maybe one day.
No, sir. Come on. No, sir. That was impressive.
Thank you.
All right, so I got my exercise for the day.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm good. So what percentage of your life, I guess, involves the personification of Michael Jackson? Because sometimes you can go home, you can take it off, and you're just Jack Perez. And then when you're out in public, when you're doing a show, then you are Michael Jackson. Have they melded into one persona or one person now?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
at what point in your life did that happen?
Probably right after I met Amanda. After we got together and started,
A relationship.
yes.
A
Or
romantic
situationship.
relationship.
A situationship, yes.
All right.
And when was that?
3 years ago. And she gets very upset that I go out as Michael Jackson.
So is there a time that you ever are not impersonating him or being him?
When I'm sleeping and in the shower.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. It pays the bills to be Michael Jackson.
All day, every day?
All day, every day, yes.
Up next,
She ruined my wig. She threw my shoes away.
They look like trash. Like, I wouldn't expect anybody to keep those. I thought they were trash, so I threw them away.
Out of spite.
I was not out of spite, I was cleaning. We kind of developed romantic feelings for one another, but lately things have not been as they used to be.
So is there a time that you ever are not impersonating him or being him?
When I'm sleeping and in the shower.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. It pays the bills to be Michael Jackson.
So if you have to run to the grocery store and stop and get some gas on the way, you are dressed as you are.
Oh, absolutely. I've taken Amanda out for her birthday dressed as Michael Jackson, and she got up and left because people were just flocking to me, wanting to take pictures.
It's too much.
It's too much.
I'm looking at your face. You're like, I'm so done with it.
I'm sick of it.
So, Ms. McBride, there's a small part of me that has to think that he was like this when you all started your situationship. By the time 2019 rolled around, this is what it looked like.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
And it did look like that at the time.
It did.
You thought you could handle it.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know if my love overshadowed everything or if I just thought I could handle it.
Your love of Michael Jackson or your love of Jack Perez?
Love of Jack Perez. I am not a fan of MJ.
Now, have you become a non-fan because of this new, or did you never like?
No, I did like Michael
Okay.
Jackson, but ever since he's just become completely obsessed with it, it's
Yeah.
completely turned me off.
So in 2019, where did you see your situationship going? Did you see a long-term romantic relationship? Did you see marriage? Did you see kids?
I don't know if I saw kids or anything like that, but I think that I felt like it would go further and that we would still develop a deeper connection together, but that obviously didn't happen. I feel like his job is overshadowing everything.
Ms. Perez, when you all started your situationship in 2019, what did you envision?
I went into it with heart wide open, expecting the best, but things have happened over the past 3 years that I feel like it's ruining our friendship. She ruined my wig. She threw my shoes away. She's complaining about me being out with my friends. I just feel like we're better off as friends and ending the situationship and getting her really off my back.
Okay.
And what is she on your back about or to do?
Stop being Michael Jackson. I am Michael Jackson. I want to be Michael Jackson all the time, 24 hours a day. She can't deal with that, and we just have to call it quits.
So you mentioned that she threw your shoes away. What happened with that?
Yes, my Michael Jackson shoes actually right here. They're perfectly scuffed. I take scissors and I chop them up on the bottom, and it makes it better to moonwalk in and glide and just dance in. And she threw them right in the trash can outside. I had to dig through the trash can before the trash man came.
Why did you throw away his shoes?
Because they're worn, they have creases in them, they look like trash. Like, I wouldn't expect anybody to keep those. I thought they were trash, so I threw them away.
Out of spite.
I was not out of spite, I was cleaning.
Okay, all right, so that explains the shoes. You said that she ruined your wig. How did that happen?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a wig that I paid hundreds of dollars for, and I have a before picture of the wig and the receipt for the wig. She wore the wig without my permission, left it in her car overnight in a bag. When I found it, it was like this, all matted. I've tried to fix it and unusable. I can't wash anything out of it. All the product that is in it is permanently in there now.
Okay.
It's all matted in the back.
Okay.
She treats all of my things like garbage. My shoes, my wig, me.
Miss McBride, why did you have on the wig?
I was just going out. Sometimes I go wear it to work. Sometimes I'll just wear it like if I'm going out with my friends.
So you've worn it more than once.
I have.
Did he know you were wearing it?
Yes. When we first met, he let me borrow all his wigs. He let me borrow his makeup, everything. He never told me that I could not use his wigs.
I would like to see the wig up a little closer. Now, I have to admit, it does look like it's dead. I'm gonna give you that.
So you do admit wearing the wig.
I have worn it.
You did leave it in the car.
I did,
And
accidentally.
it was in a bag.
Yes.
He never showed you anything that was wrong with it and said, look what you did to my wig?
No. I never knew he had an issue with it
Until
now.
Up next,
you didn't know she was wearing this particular wig on the particular occasion that you're talking
Absolutely
about.
not. I've never even worn that wig. It cost me a lot of money. All the product that is in it is permanently in there now.
Did he know you were wearing it?
Yes. When we first met, he let me borrow all his wigs. He let me borrow his makeup, everything. He never told me that I could not use his wigs.
And you let her wear the wig.
I did not. I didn't know she wore the wig. I didn't know where it was.
She
I
said
always wear your
she's-
wigs.
Well, she says she's worn it
She's
several
worn
times.
a wig.
Okay. How many
See,
wigs
now she's
has-
telling stories.
Okay, let's do it this way. How many wigs do you have?
About 15.
So you have 15 wigs.
About, yeah.
All styled in various stages of Michael Jackson's career.
Correct. Some of them are duplicates, correct.
Has she ever worn any of those wigs?
She's worn one wig.
Okay, under what circumstances?
Under the circumstance that I was done with it and I no longer needed it, and she liked the style of the wig, so I gave it to her.
And so you didn't know she was wearing this particular wig on the particular occasion that you're talking
Absolutely
about?
not. I've never even worn that wig. It cost me a lot of money.
So how much do your wigs on average cost?
Depending on the styling, it could be anywhere from $500 to $1,000 total.
Now, how much are you asking for in this particular case for that wig?
I'm just asking for the cost of the wig, which is just about under $300. I just want the respect for my things, and I just want us to be friends.
Okay, Ms. McBride, I mean, it is very clear for Mr. Perez that he no longer wants to be in a romantic relationship. Is that where you are?
No, I honestly never even thought it would get this far.
But you hate what he's doing 24/7. How could it not get to this point? I mean, I don't think you're gonna fall back in love with Michael Jackson.
No.
And that's who's sleeping with you.
I don't know, Jack Perez is who I fell in love with, and I thought that's who it would still be.
But
But
it's not.
It's not. It's not.
But we still have to resolve this issue of the wig.
Yes, sir.
Um,
I think we need to have a little deliberation.
all right, that sounds good. Tashi, would you show our litigants out, please? All right, so
Well, the first thing you need to do is take that over there. It's swampy. It's very swamp-like. It's
You
not
don't,
fresh.
you don't want to keep the seaweed?
No, sir. No, sir. All right. All right. So, Mr. Cutler,
Yes.
now that we have had a visit from beyond, I feel like, what are we gonna do with this wig? I don't know what's got on it, but it's bad and it stinks, and I don't think you can wash that out.
Again, not being a wig person, but is there a point beyond which a wig cannot be saved?
Well, if that's not it, I don't want to see it.
And what did she do to damage it? That's what I haven't heard. Only thing he said she did was she left it in a bag in the car. And would leaving a wig in a bag in a car do that?
You know what? I think he's very serious. My glam squad, amazing. And Terrence, that keeps the crown together. I think Terrence could answer our question. Could we take that back to Terrence and ask him, could that be ruined by just being in a plastic bag in a hot car? Can you take it back to him and see what he says? Sure. Okay.
And ask him, is that wig salvageable?
Yes, and he'll be able to answer both.
The professional says that this is not salvageable.
Well, Terrence Davidson is a master wig. He designs them for movies, and so if he says you can't do anything with it, I gotta believe you can't do anything with it. Did you ask him about whether or not leaving it in a bag in a hot car that would ruin it?
He said a thank you bag is not the way to take care of that wig.
Okay,
If it got like that in her possession, she's responsible for what happens to it in her possession.
correct.
So,
And he is asking for $229, correct?
correct.
All right, I think we have a verdict.
Would you show our litigants back in, please? All right. Judge Adani and I have had a chance to deliberate on the matter of the wig. And you are asking for the recovery of $229 for the damage to the wig.
Correct.
Okay. Ms. McBride, we have consulted with the court's expert in this matter, and that expert has determined, based on the information we provided, that this wig does not appear to be salvageable. And the wig was damaged in your possession. Apparently, putting it in a grocery to-go bag is probably not the way to store that wig. And so therefore, because the damage happened in your possession, we're going to find in favor of our plaintiff and against you in the amount of $229.
Okay, Your Honor.
With regards to your relationship, this is very easy to say that you all should be friends. And not friends with benefits, just friends. Because the man that you may have fallen in love with, the choices he's making regarding his career and his life don't align with the ones that you have in mind. And he has said, I want to just be your friend. And I think that if you work on salvaging your friendship, you'll have a better friend, and maybe you'll find yourself that he's still a thriller after all. I couldn't help myself. With that is the ruling of the court. We find in favor of the plaintiff $229. Court is adjourned.
I feel like they saw my side of the story and they believed me. They honored my wishes and they saw how important my belongings are to me and how important my friendship with Amanda is.
I think it was fabricated. I don't think that I damaged the wig as much as he says I did. I just don't. I think he'll be doing the moonwalk, and I hope he doesn't moonwalk out of my life.